Kill me now. Oh.
Hey! What do you think you're doing?
What have we here? Ask a dumb question and... you get a dumb answer!
Mayhap you know him?
Afraid so.
My home. No.
I see. Then I'll destroy it. How does that make you feel? Angry, maybe? I bet it's angry.
Vaughn! Don't let him get to you.
I know. And I know this isn't the real Robin Oster. But still!
Feast your eyes on this, ladies and gentlemen!
Have you no morals? To revel in the destruction of another's homeland? That shall serve as ample reason to strike you down.
You'll eat those words.